Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, finishing up another great year. At least for me it was, because I was able to come in contact with individuals who introduced me to this beautiful metal black prepaid debit card, credit card, secured card, business, and a bunch of other things as well, because what you can do with this card you cannot do with any other card. And I'm going to explain that to you really quickly, because I don't want to make a long video. I want you to check out the information for yourself. But what I will tell you is that, number one, this is a beautiful, beautiful metal card. When I say beautiful, I mean beautiful. It's metal, gold, and black. You have many different cards. You can have professional, medical, military, Masons, Eastern Star, whatever you are, whatever group. You can also put your logo right here on the card. It's beautiful. It's metal. It's not like anything that you've ever seen or touched when it comes to prepaid cards, when it comes to debit cards, when it comes to credit card. Even the American Express Centurion Black Card is not this heavy, okay? We're talking about 28 grams of metal, and we're talking about some elite rewards to go along with this.